Introduction to the Laws of Motion.
Motion is all around us, whether it's a rolling soccer ball or a soaring airplane. Understanding the laws that govern motion helps us make sense of how and why things move. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 most important laws of motion, explained in straightforward terms you can easily understand.
1. Newton's first law, the law of inertia.
Objects at rest stay at rest, and objects in motion stay in motion unless acted upon by a force. This law teaches us that things won't start, stop, or change direction all by themselves. Whether you stop a rolling ball or start moving a shopping cart, it happens because a force is applied.
2. Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration.
The acceleration of an object depends on its mass and the force applied. In simple terms, pushing a lighter object makes it accelerate more than a heavy one, if you push both with the same force. This law explains why a small kick sends a soccer ball flying, but barely moves a bowling ball.
3. Newton's third law, action and reaction.
For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. This is why you feel a recoil when you jump off a boat or fire a water gun. The force you apply pushes back with the same strength in the opposite direction, keeping the universe in balance.
4. The law of universal gravitation.
Every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force called gravity. The strength of gravity depends on the mass of the objects and the distance between them. This law explains why apples fall from trees and why the planets orbit the sun.
5. The law of conservation of momentum.
Momentum is conserved when objects interact as long as no outside forces act. When two cars collide, their total momentum before and after the crash remains the same. This law helps us understand everything from billiards to rocket launches.
Conclusion. The importance of motion laws.
These 5 laws of motion are essential for understanding how things move and interact in the physical world. From everyday actions to the mysteries of space, they form the foundation of physics and engineering. Remembering these principles can help explain countless real-world scenarios you encounter every day.